In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the YouTube language to English on your TV so you can navigate the platform more comfortably. Let's get started. Changing the language is a simple process, but the steps may vary slightly depending on your device. If you're using the YouTube app on a smart TV or streaming device, like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast, start by opening the app and signing into your account. Click on your profile picture or account icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Language Preferences. Look for the language option and choose English from the list. The app will refresh automatically, and all menus and content descriptions will now appear in English. If the YouTube app doesn't have a direct language setting, you may need to adjust the language settings on your TV or streaming device itself. Grab your TV remote, go to the Settings menu, and look for an option like System Settings, Language, or Preferences. Change the system language to English, and the YouTube app should adapt accordingly. For users casting YouTube from a phone or computer to their TV, you can also change the language directly on the mobile app or browser. Open the YouTube app or website, go to your profile picture, select Settings, General, and choose English as your preferred language. This change will sync across devices signed into your account. Once the language is updated, restart the YouTube app or your device to ensure the changes take effect. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on customizing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope changing the YouTube language to English on your TV was easy and straightforward. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.